Hi, I'm Alexander from Rene Paris Nadarans. Today I'm going to be styling Liana in the Orchid collection, and this new piece is in a new colour, also called Cherry Merlot, which you can see is just delightful. Gorgeous colour, gorgeous style. It's a beautiful kind of curl pattern that we've got, like almost like a dishevelled, very on-trend curl pattern. So I just want to work with the texture that we've already got. So I'm going to do something nice and quick, and I have a lots of little bands, little clear bands. Okay, and what I'm going to do is first off, like I said, I'm going to work with the texture. So I'm going to take a section at the back. So what I'm doing is just taking the first pony, okay? Just in no particular order, just like that. So I'm trying to create body and bounce. Okay, so we're going to create an up style with lots of different ponies. So first off, the ponies are just to create a bit of lift and to gather the hair up and out of the way. Okay, so like this, I'm going to connect this area and the back into another pony. And give that some lift like so, and then I just keep, just notice what I keep doing, guys, is I keep then coming over to the front to just have a look at the texture, make sure that it's where I want it to be. So I'm going to show you at the back. So what I'm going to do is just still got my bands, so I'm just going to put, you know, and I think when we do upstyling, we've got very used to using bobby pins for everything, and that's okay. You know, bobby pins are good, they're very, very good, but they're not for everything, you know, and especially with working with wigs, you generally find that, you know, there's a lot of different things out there you can do, and I've not used one bobby pin so far, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to take this hair up and I'm going to add it to the original pony. Gather it up, gather it up, gather it up, like so, double it up, and then just open that texture, see, like so. And I'm just going to take another band in. I'm just going to use some protective holding spray from ROP, which also gives a nice finish to the ends as well, with the positioning pins. Put the area of texture where you want it. Remember, we've got no bobby pins in here at all. So it's a hairstyle done just with bands and a few positioning pins. I'm just going to take her bangs across to a side, because I think that's looking quite cool. So I'm just going to take that across to the side. Here and here looks quite heavy. I think just to remove some of the heaviness, I'm going to take this area and I'm going to use a bobby pin. So coming to the end of the styling now. So this is Liana, a new style in the Orchid collection, and this is in the colour Cherry Merlot. So what I've been doing is I've gone for a very creative up style, working with the natural texture, working just using the bands. And for me, you would think that was a much longer hairstyle, you know, much longer hairstyle down there. And Liana is a short little bob that we've created all this volume with because of that natural texture it has in there, which isn't a curl, it isn't a wave, it's like a broken kind of beachy look, which just looks amazing. So from me today, you've been watching me, Alexander Turnbull, and I'm with Rene Paris Nadarans, and I've been joined today with Liana from the Orchid collection in Cherry Merlot. Do you like this styling? A little bit of fun, something a bit free, something a bit, you know, a bit way, a bit well. You let me know which one you liked, what was cool. Is it something you're going to be trying? And, you know, we look forward to hearing your comments. But from me and everyone here at Rene Paris Nadarans, remember, tune into all forms of social media, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.